Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here, and I'm going to be showing you how to save app icons directly on your iPhone. You're going to want one shortcut for this, and it's going to be called App Icon Downloader. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description. If you're a more inexperienced shortcut user, I'm going to leave a link to this article, How to Allow Untrusted Shortcuts on iPhone, in there as well. So let's move to our iPhone here. Once you go to the site, you click Get Shortcut. Add shortcut. Then you're going to search up the app that you want. I'm going to search up one of my all-time favorite editing apps on iPhone. Photo Wizard. Allow. There it is. Save. It's that simple. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.